Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Mods Every Way. In today's video, we're going to give you guys some hectic VTEC sound, and that's with the install of a titanium BYP exhaust, as we can see here. All right, let's get into it.
All right, so after a sweaty soccer training session, I finally arrived to the install.
Absolutely.
Shawnee, give him an update. What's going on?
Mate, 2 bolts back here, 2 hangers up here.
Let me get under.
So 2 hangers up here, 2 bolts back here, I'll show you guys, and it's out.
Easy as pie, mate.
Never say that word again, mate. Never say that again.
Yeah, things typically don't go to plan when we do mods on.
All right, so guys, now that Vin's here, I'll pass over the reins, and I want Vin to show us the unboxing, all right, of the actual exhaust. Let's have a look. We're going to unveil it now, okay? Titanium BYP exhaust.
Titanium BYP exhaust, alright? So, right here, we have a beautiful big muffler. What is this, 3-inch? 70 millimeter. Enough said, right? It's blue as well. You know what that means. That is sport.
Give us a shot of that tip. Wow.
It's a nice tip, I'd say.
Wow.
So,
look at that muffler as well. Look at the colour, mate. That's fully Bankstown spec.
quite blue, a bit girthy. We like that.
What about those welds?
Those welds quite nicely done,
Good here.
if you ask me.
What about the hanger? That's
Yeah.
nice at the back.
I don't think we'll be getting any separations at all. Oi!
Beautiful.
Sorry, but we got more important things here.
Is it even in install without Macca's?
The goods have arrived. Work's getting done now.
Now work's getting down.
So, anyways, we've got this beautiful muffler. We've also got the mid pipe here. Very nice, very nice. So,
good.
what does this come down to? 2.5?
No, the whole thing is 70 millimeter.
The whole thing is 70 millimeter.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can put some boost through here.
And we have the resonator for the little bit of sound that it's got to take away from us. It's still going to be loud as a motherfucker, but it's going to be a nice piece of kit on the car. The res itself,
so good.
it's not that, you know, if you've ever seen a stock res, this is not that big. So we're going to get some nice Honda sounds coming from this car. And yeah, let's get it on. Alright, so as you can see, this muffler has quite the bit of girth on it compared to this one. And picking up one hand, this is like, it's pretty heavy.
Vin's actually getting a pump on there.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit of a pump, as you can see.
Muscle nation.
A bit of you know, bit of veininess.
Veininess.
And this one is quite light, so you know, no pump coming from this. If you're aiming to do a bicep workout before you install, I wouldn't suggest using this one. However, you know, Honda's weight reduction, alright? So this is the one that you want to go for, because you can't be having this extra bit of weight, alright? You're going to be doing like 8 seconds to 100 with this exhaust. This one, about 3.5.
Now
So,
look at that size difference.
yeah.
That's how we know. A lot smaller. Looks a lot nicer as well. It's fully JDM spec, mate.
And that blue against the silver, it's going to look beautiful, I reckon.
Alright, Shawnee, what are we doing, Sean?
Alright, mate. Fuel ready? We have all 3 bolts off. You want to go show them?
Alright,
We're gonna show the bolts that have been removed. So, which bolts have been removed, gentlemen?
Up the top here.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Taken off. That on the ground. 1 hanger to go up here. Seb's just getting the WD-40 on that.
Seb's our WD-40 a bit. Yeah.
There we go.
Let's go.
Let's get this out.
Get it out, Shawnee.
Get that piece of shit out of there.
Look at that, disgusting.
That actually is disgusting.
It has no blue on it.
Mate, the resonator's half the size. We'll put it on the ground, Seb, and we'll get that off.
Yeah, lube it up a bit. Do what you're doing. Alright,
We're botching the hangers right here. One flathead has been victim.
So we're doing one at a time.
Yeah.
Just put them both on and I'll hit him with the rubber mallet.
Anthony's currently slapping his foot.
Can you give me the rubber mallet then? Oh, trying a bit of this cock. Watch out.
Sean just pushes it with force, eh?
Oh, you know what? Sean's got it, mate. It's fucking Irish Italian.
Ladies,
There we go.
get around it.
Irish Italian.
That's it, mate.
Alright, so what do we do from here?
I don't know. Alright, so to minimise adjusting it on the car, we're kind of just trying to line it up with the old exhaust. That
Very
way-
roughly.
Yeah, very roughly, so everything can go in together.
And we'll tighten it up on the car to make sure that, you know, once it's on the car, we don't have any movement or anything like that. I don't know what he just did, but
It worked.
Everything we do here has a purpose.
yeah, you're looking at a bunch of apes trying to put an exhaust on. That's the best way to describe it.
Pretty good. Basically.
So we got the new gasket here, as you can see, nice and thick,
Yeah, very nice.
ready to go on the car. We'll just put that there. This is what came off the car, and Anthony's always saying he has an exhaust leak. Well,
I don't
yeah,
believe it
that
still.
could that could contribute to it. It's like paper. I reckon.
Exhaust leak
Yeah,
over his rear end.
Yeah.
yeah.
So
So we're gonna put the new gasket on now, and hopefully have the exhaust on it soon
it's gonna sound quite zesty.
in the bin.
Yeah, the bin.
So we've got Seb putting a undisclosed substance on the gasket here.
This is the forbidden mixture of vins.
Yeah, I don't want to know what that substance is.
That's what
but
comes out of Vin when he hits tech.
yeah,
Yeah, orange.
it's a tech juice.
Tech juice.
So, all jokes aside, what actually is this mysterious substance?
I don't know. I just put it on, mate. Looks
Copper
good.
grease.
Copper grease.
We're trying to stop exhaust leaks like before.
Yeah,
So making
So-
sure we have a proper seal.
I've got to rub it in. I'm just fucking.
yeah. Maybe we'll put some like nice seductive music over it. That's exactly what I was thinking. Alright, so we're getting under the car with Sean and Anthony right now. We're chucking on the muffler. So that's step one. So, Shawnee, how are we doing this?
Mate, we're trying not to damage it. We'll do it like this.
Do you want me to help pull it through?
Nah, mate. We haven't figured it out yet, guys. We'll get back to you.
So, Shawnee's got the muffler through the hole. So yeah, now we're one step closer to getting it on. We've got to get the mid pipe on now and also the resonator. And we'll have some juicy VTEC sounds coming for you. We positioned our nice new exhaust. I reckon that looks fucking spicy, mate. So,
Track spec, I reckon. Not too big, not too small, just enough where you know there's a bit of punch going to come through there, but don't worry, that little exhaust is going to...
package is the way.
The right size package is the way.
we love a good size.
Hey, it's not about the size, it's how it's been used. And here, I think it's been used quite nicely.
We know here about sizes at Everyday Mods everywhere. Experts at sizes.
we specialise in size. So we've got some tightening happening right here.
Zero leverage, typical Type R.
Yeah.
You can see that there. Oh, what?
The tripod, you can see that leverage? Not very good.
Not very good, but it looks good, Vin. Show them how good it looks up underneath the car, mate. Looks insane, lad.
Yeah, that is unreal. So, it's alright, mate. Let me see.
It's a bit tight under here.
Yeah, so, mate, we want to see what's going on under here, eh? So, yeah, I guess we're finishing up here. So, I guess we'll come back to you when it's all done, hey?
Let's go.
So, how do you enjoy the car? Yeah, look, it's good. Can be a bit of a pain in the ass. But yeah, otherwise, very nice.
What happened with the headlight?
So on the way to Weatherall Park, roughly around 40 minutes from my house, on the way there, the headlights just wanted to go
Just like that.
just like that.
And the suspension?
So when I got to the place to actually pick up the exhaust, the suspension wanted to actually back out. And my steering wheel was like this, driving on the M4, no headlights, fucked alignment. It was a big experience.
I sound fucked up.
What are we getting here, boys?
So we're currently in the search for a 12mm. I seem to pick up every single bolt, socket.
Watch out. Move.
That is not a 12.
Yeah, the boss has arrived to find it. Seb, why do we need the 12mm?
Need it to tighten something that needs to be tightened to tighten something.
None of these are a 12. So let's go over to Sean and see what the boss man's doing.
What's going on?
Not too much, mate. Just spring bolts take ages.
Spring bolts take ages, eh?
Yeah, the 12 mils for that centre bit. So there's a see that bit here. That's what Seb's tightening up. That connects two parts of the exhaust.
So, if I just squeeze under, this, you know, bastard here is causing a lot of problems. But apart from that, loud bang noises. But you know what? It's been a fairly simple exhaust install, probably quicker than any of the other ones that we've ever done. So can't complain. Someone's sticking tools in places that they shouldn't be. Alright, so I'm going to make way for Seb and we're going to watch him put this unique thing here.
I need a 13.
Oh, there's a 13 there. I know there is.
Demanding seller, eh?
Rick, give me a 13, please.
When we turn it on, what we're going to do, guys, put our hands around it. We'll turn it on with the jack stands on. We're going to put our hands around that area there and see if we can feel any gush of air to check if there's exhaust leaks. Once we know that's all good, then we'll make sure it's all tight and drop it down and hear it.
Yeah, because basically there's small, tiny metal openings that you can see because it gives it the ability to flex and actually close the clamp around the other piece of pipe. So, you know, if it's all clear and good, then no leaks.
That's tighter than.
Yeah, that's getting blurred.
Alright guys, so we've been successful. We've gotten the 3 bolts in at the front. Very small leverage, but the little spanner did help us in that. The back's up. We still got it jacked up to check for exhaust leaks, but we're going to do first start now for the BYP titanium exhaust. Okay? Let's hit it.
I'm so nervous.
Not a bad starter. Still very loud, but still we think we can drive this on the street. Alright, we'll get under the car and we're just going to check for leaks real quick. Yeah, there's a leak here, all over here. Mad.
We had a bit of a leak there on the mid pipe, so we had to adjust the clamp with the impact driver.
Should I just ratchet it just to?
No, I reckon that's fine. You can.
Yeah, just to see.
Hopefully we've gotten rid of the leak.
Treatable, but definitely a lot more race car than it was before. You can hear it now. Very boomy there. So for you guys at home, pretty good. That is loud. I don't know if that's going to compute on the phone, but yeah, if you guys are looking for a quiet exhaust, I don't know about this one. If you're going to drive it every day to your grandma's house, I don't know, it might wake her up. That's all I'm going to say, alright? But if you do want to get that tech screaming on the track, I recommend it, alright? What do you reckon, Vin?
Honda, mate. If your Honda doesn't sound like this, get rid of it, mate.
We're waking up everyone.
Every single person, alright? Every single person. This is your 11 PM alarm, alright? Wake up or off, basically. You gotta hear this VTEC.
What do you reckon, mate?
Beautiful, mate.
That sounds good.
That's exactly how your Honda should be sounding, in my opinion.
Bit of a limiter action there, but
Not much better than that, to be honest.
mate, that's how you get the real sound out of it. She's sounding very, very good though.
Out of the BYP titanium exhaust. That's pretty good.
It looks good, mate. Look at that little tip there. That looks very nice. Track spec. Just gonna go again. Looks mega on the road.
Bloody oath, mate.
How good. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video, alright? But make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button to see more of that DC5 content, because we are going to be filming a proper exhaust video to show you guys exactly how that thing sounds. But we hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We will be having some more XR5 content coming in the channel soon, so for you guys that stayed later in the video, stay tuned, alright? There's going to be some good stuff coming, more track content and all that coming your way, okay? So make sure you follow us on Instagram as well, Everyday Mods Every Way. But for now, we're out. Peace.
Lively, up in the bed when she fights me. She got a double tap, not IG. Want to be my wifey, that's highly unlikely. We got a couple diggers for the pipe.